watching a fucking
Oh
video.
no, here
You're
they
always
go
on
again.
You can't even
Get the fuck out of
You
here.
didn't even go to work
I'm
today.
watching a fucking
You didn't even go
video.
to work today.
Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck you doing? Give me that.
Oh shit.
That son of a bitch.
Alright, you wanna go?
Get the fuck out of here, you fucking nut. Give me that fucking thing. Get the
my
fuck
God.
out of here.
Wait.
Give me. You're a fucking idiot. You're a fucking idiot. You're a fucking nut. What the? You're destroyed. Get the fuck out of here. Get away. Get the fuck out of here, you fuck. This kid's fucking nuts. What the fuck you doing? Get the fuck out of here. You're dead. You're fucking grounded. You're fucking grounded. You're fucking grounded.
Honey,
You're
right
fucking
there, huh?
grounded.
You want
You're
YouTube,
fucking
huh?
grounded. You're fucking grounded.
I don't care.
I don't give a shit.
I don't care.
Don't you fucking touch me.
I
What
don't
the
care.
fuck is wrong
I
with
don't
you?
care. I don't care.
What the fuck
I'm
is
Every
wrong
one
with
of you
you?
again for
Fucking
subscribing,
dickhead.
for watching, following the dad, give us all the love and support. We love you right back. We support you just the same. I just want to address a couple things before I start the show. Guys, why I didn't shout out on Sunday? Subscribe was because my bear won, and I was so excited. I'm going to continue to do that, except for this Sunday, which is 100 or less. I can't believe